Here we come upon the Amanda in a new natural habitat. She are trying to camouflage herself with her surroundings. Oh, she might have spotted us at our close one. Where is the elusive Amanda? She's trying to hide, but don't worry. Natural photographer van der Merwe will always get you the first shots. The natural habitat of the Amanda is actually in the urban jungle, not in the wild jungle. There she are. Look at her. Glorious, and always with her back to the camera. Unless it are what her species call the selfie. We must try and lure her with her natural food. We do not know what this is, but rumors say it might be pizza. Now we must try and get a different angle on the Amanda. She might have spotted us. I think she's running. Shit, the Amanda are very dangerous when she's running. They can strike swiftly and quickly and kill instantaneously. Once, my soul, it are a rabies one. Look at the white at the mouth. That's are an exceptional piece of meat, nay. But how will we capture the Amanda? What? Where are the Amanda? The Amanda are cleaning her teeth. This is for hunting. Sharp words from a very small creature, but sharp words they are. The teeth must be cleaned so that they can strike mercilessly. Oh damn it, she are in striking position. Ah, ah, ah.